What's going on, guys? Bryce Crispy94 here, bringing you another Icons of the Realms miniature opening, and we have Icewind Dale, Rime of the Frost Maiden. So as you can see, we can get a Flynn Trapper, Human Hunter, a Yeti, a Night Hag, the Cold Crone, which is just a version of the Frost Maiden. Oh, we can get a Chowinga, Tomb Trapper, Goliath Barbarian, which is pretty cool, and Tekela Lee, which I believe we've actually gotten before. He is a Vampiric Gnoll, which is actually really cool. So, let's try and get these out without spoiling the big one. Okay, got one in my hand. Hopefully there are no broken ones. I don't know if you guys haven't saw the last one, but if you have, then you know we kind of got screwed in the last video. So we have here a Duergar. This is a miniature I have pulled before, but it is still a pretty cool one because I like Duergars. So yeah, it is a Duergar Shield Dwarf. Duergar Stone Guard, that's right. So yeah, pretty basic Duergar figure with the heavy armor, nice sword, big shield. Again, something we've already pulled, so I'm not going to go into too much detail on it. This is the next mini. It's another very small mini. This, I do not believe we have pulled. It looks like a goblin. I mean, double check it. It is a snow goblin. I don't think that's very special. I just think, you know, snow goblin. Can I get the lighting a little bit now? I'm trying to... It's like I want the lighting to be good and then the camera to also be. There we go. There we go. That's a little... So you can definitely see the eye there. He's got some sort of like lizard skull on his head, which is really cool. I like that. He's got his little sword there. Got a cape. Definitely dressed for winter. With a chainmail. Focus. There you can see the chainmail. So yeah, I like this little guy. He's cool. I always like getting a new figure. Then we have, I'm not sure. It looks like a tiny baby Yeti to me. Look at the little baby Yeti. It is. It's a baby Yeti. It's a Yeti tyke. Oh, that's cute. I don't really like the black wash piled up there on the chest. Kind of makes it look odd. The actual figure itself is really cute, though. Yeah, the black wash, they did not do a very good job of dispersing it through the figure. His eyes are actually kind of... Yeah, just... Why are you not focusing? I can't get it to focus on the eyes. I don't... There, you can see those dead eyes now. But yeah, and look at that black wash just really kind of ruined that paint job right there. That's a bit unfortunate. What did I do with the big figure? Found it. Not that cool of a big figure. Actually, it is kind of cool. I have no idea what it is. It must be a character from, It is a character from the Icewind Dale story. I'm not familiar with the story. I don't own that module. It is a Goliath werebear, which is actually pretty sweet. So this guy's already huge, and then he turns into a freaking werebear. His axe is a little... He's got some salmon tied to his shirt. Very neat figure. So, yeah, I have no idea how to pronounce his name. Minartalk? The Goliath werebear. Not too bad of a figure. I would have rather had, like, something else. It's not that I don't dislike the story-related figures, but when I'm not familiar with the story, I'm like, eh. He is rather cool, though. for a story figure. Alright, let's go ahead and go over these. So we got the Duergar Stone Guard. Nothing super special there. I've already pulled it. The Snow Goblin I do like. I think this is my favorite figure. The Yeti Tyke would have been my favorite figure. Had, you know, yeah, that black wash right there. Ugh, it's just bad. But probably my second. And then the Werebear is my third. He does have a lot of detail on him that I didn't really cover. But, you know, he's got the necklace, the teeth, the nose, eye patch, long hair, which it's funny that he's got hair, being a Goliath, because Goliaths don't typically have hair. I do love the fish. I wish they would have used a different color, though. The pink kind of just really stands out. The straps aren't very well painted either. I'm just picking apart these paint jobs. I know. You do 3 painting videos and now I'm a professional painter. I'm not a professional painter, but I know mistakes when I see them. I know when I make mistakes too. Anyway, so yeah, that is the Icewind Dale set. We will, have our usual painting video up on Wednesday. This will be up on Monday. I do not believe we have a Friday video, but check it and see just in case. Who knows? But yeah, that's going to be it for this one, guys. So I will see you Wednesday for the painting video. Peace.